So now if we look at some more examples of starting with a percent and converting it to its equivalent fraction, we're just going to remember that percent is always compared to 100, or out of 100. So 25% is 25 over 100, but I have to reduce this into lowest terms. So 25 goes evenly into the numerator and denominator here. So I do 25 divided by 25, which gives me 1. 100 divided by 25, which gives me 4. So 25% as a fraction in lowest terms is 1/4. 67% is 67 over 100. 67 is a prime number. The only numbers that go into it are 1 in itself, and 67 does not go into 100, so there's no number we can use to divide top and bottom evenly to make it smaller, so that is already in lowest terms. 5%, 5 over 100. Now 5 goes into top and bottom here. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 5% in lowest terms is 1 over 20. 120% is 120 over 100. Again, I have an improper fraction in this case because the top is larger than the bottom. So 120 is the same as 100 and 20. So 100 over 100 is what gives me the whole, and I'm left with 20 over 100. 20 over 100 is not in lowest terms because 20 goes into itself and into the 100. So 20 divided by itself is 1. 100 divided by 20 is 5. So 120% is 1 1/5. 0.2% is over 100, so this is 0.2 over 100. Now in this case, because we are converting to a fraction, we cannot leave the decimal as part of the numerator. So what I do is I multiply the top and the bottom by 10 in order to get rid of the decimal. So 0.2 times 10 is 2. 100 times 10 is 1,000. And then 2 goes into both itself and 1,000. When I divide by 2, I get 1 over 500. So 0.2% is 1 over 500. 10% is 10 over 100. Divide top and bottom by 10 to get 1 over 10 in lowest terms. 20% is 20 over 100. Divide top and bottom by 20 to end up with 1 over 5 in lowest terms. And finally, 90% is 90 over 100. In this case, 10 is what divides evenly into the top and the bottom. 90 divided by 10 is 9. 100 divided by 10 is 10. So 90% in lowest terms is 9/10.